Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And the markets have been correcting since 2 weeks, and I think this is the best time to consider long-term investing, or basically you can start investing more money either in your existing portfolio, or if you haven't started creating a long-term portfolio, I think from here on you can start on buying stocks at each dip. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about some of these stocks where the smart investors are investing their money when the markets are correcting. Now, you might ask how I am judging that these are the good stocks, or here is where the smart investors are pumping in their money. So, the criteria that we'll consider is the percentage of deliverable quantity in these particular stocks, because whenever a stock is traded on any exchange, whether it be NSE or BSE, there are basically two forms in which people buy or sell stocks. The first one is intraday, and the second one is cash and carry or delivery. So basically, whenever you punch in a buy or a sell order on any of your brokers, you might have seen these two options, which is MIS, that is basically intraday, and another one is CNC, which is cash and carry or delivery. So the intraday orders have to be squared off by the end of the day, that is by 3:15 or 3:30, depending on your broker. But whenever the stocks are bought for intraday, they need to be squared off on the same day. And whenever you are buying in CNC or delivery, you are basically taking it for either a swing trade or basically a long term. So when the stocks are bought in intraday, that is basically more of a speculative move. But if the investors are trying to take the delivery of the stock, that means that they are trying to consider the stock and keeping it in their demat either for medium term or for long term. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about five stocks, or basically we can talk about six stocks. Let's consider one bonus, and we'll see what sort of delivery percentage is there in these stocks since the last 2 weeks, because the markets have been bearish since 2 weeks. And we'll also see what is a good delivery percentage. So basically, for me, a good delivery percentage is about 30. So out of all the traded shares, if more than 30% of those have been delivery orders, so basically I consider that to be a healthy delivery, and I would conclude that people are genuinely interested in buying that particular stock. So without further ado, let's begin. So you can see the weekly chart of Nifty. You can see that the candles formed in the last 2 weeks have been bearish. And now we'll start seeing how we can look at the delivery data. So to look at the delivery data, all you can do is go to Google and type delivery data date-wise. And you can open this first link by NSE. Now here we'll talk about the five stocks and let's see. So we want to look at the delivery data for the last 2 weeks. And the first stock in our list is going to be HDFC Bank. Now, it's the leader in the retail banking and it's one of the largest private banks in India. You can see the percentage deliverable quantity for the last 2 weeks. This has been really healthy. The minimum delivery is almost 30% and the maximum is even 52%. So that's really great. And people are genuinely interested in buying this stock for long term. And also, they should be, because it's one of the most nice banks in India that you can consider for long term investment. The second stock on our list is going to be Asian Paint. I have been creating detailed video on Asian Paints since it's been falling, and it's been falling for quite some time now. So you can consider investment in this particular stock, because if you see here, the delivery data seems to be pretty strong. The most of the days people have bought in for more than 30% delivery here. And you can see that this particular stock has a lot of growth, and I think that this has been beaten down a lot by now. So you can definitely consider investing in this particular stock. Also, it has the highest market share in the paints industry. The rising prices of Brent crude is basically the reason for the fall of this particular stock, but I think for the long term, this is one of the best stocks. And I also have a detailed video covering a lot more things about Asian Paints, so you can have a look at that as well. Let's talk about the third stock, which is Hindustan Unilever. Again, I have a very detailed video on this stock. I have created that in one of the recent videos, so you can go and have a look. But again, here you can see that this is really good delivery percentages. And this stock is really at a very good valuation at this particular moment. That's all that I can say, that you can buy this stock for long term and you will thank me later when this stock starts shooting up. So you can see the delivery percentage, it's really good. It's almost about 60 on most days for the last 2 weeks. This is really amazing stock, and you should consider buying this FMCG giant for long term. Let's talk about the next stock. Now, all of these were Nifty 50 stocks which are talked about till now, but this one is another very good stock, which is IGL, or Indraprastha Gas Limited. Now, here also you will see that since the last week, maybe not the week prior to that, the delivery has been a little bit weak. But you will see that since the last week, this stock has been correcting heavily. and people are buying this particular stock for long term. And you can see what sort of amazing delivery percentages are we seeing here. It's almost close to 50% for the last week, and this is really great. So you can again consider buying this particular stock for long term, and this has a really good command over the pipeline gas business around the Delhi and the NCR region. This is really great. Let's talk about the last stock in our list, which is going to be Kotak Bank. Again, one of the best private banks in India. And you can see that this has also been correcting since the last 2 weeks, along with Nifty and Bank Nifty. And again, you can see that what sort of high delivery percentage are we seeing. And again, more precisely in the last week, it's almost above 50% on every single day. So the long term investors are making good use of this fall and accumulating this particular stock for long term. Now, deliverable quantity is really a good measure to check genuinely how many people are interested in buying that particular stock, because in intraday there is a lot of speculation. So if you're a long term investor, you should only focus on long term, and if you're a trader, then you should be worried about intraday. But we'll talk about that in some other video maybe. These were the five stocks that you can consider for long term investment, which can give you really handsome returns, and all are fundamentally very strong companies with really good fundamentals, management, and a strong balance sheet as well. So I have done an in-depth video about a lot of these stocks. If you want another in-depth video about any of the new stock that I mentioned, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to make a video on that. I will also give you an example of two stocks which have a really weak delivery percentage, and maybe people are not interested to accumulate these stocks for long term at these current levels. The first stock that we are talking about is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, you will see that since the last 2 weeks, there hasn't been a really high delivery, and people are not interested to accumulate this particular stock for long term at the present levels. And it's obvious because the stock has run up 2 months since 3 months, and now people are really doubtful about the valuations at the current levels. But again, this is a really good company for long term, but it's just that people are not ready to buy this stock at these levels. The second stock is going to be Bajaj Finance. Again, this stock has seen a really good rally in the last 3 months, and you will see that again the delivery percentage is fair enough, but not that great as we saw in the last five stocks that we talked about. So you can consider investing your money in these five stocks, because this is where I showed you with real data that this is where smart investors are plunging their money when the markets are starting to correct. So you can also do the same. I hope you like this particular video. And if you do, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content related to investment, trading, and a lot more stuff related to stock markets in general. So yeah, this is it for this video then. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.